Okay, today we're going to take a look at the second two-part invention of Bach. This is the two-part invention in C minor. Very different than the first invention, as all Bach's compositions are very different, using different compositional techniques. And here Bach starts off with this motive in the right hand. This very long, snaky motive. I'm going to leave out the trills. They really don't affect the composition. Neither do these mordents, but force of habit. And that's really the end of the first section before he goes down to the dominant. Just like in the first invention, he starts on the tonic, moves over to the dominant, the fifth of the scale. And in the left hand, what he does, which is extremely interesting, is he imitates the right hand, but 2 measures behind. This is called a canon, when one voice imitates the other like this. And he starts here an octave lower and 2 measures behind, and he's going to play the same thing. Same exact thing all the way up until measure 11. And there he changes the canon. He plays another canon, which is an inversion of the first canon, starting on the relative major, E flat. See? So let's put both hands together in that first section. You'll see how they fit together. Okay, now the left hand. Okay, and here's where the canon at the relative major comes in the left hand. So this is like an elaborate puzzle, as all his pieces are, really. Now the right hand, okay, is going to play the first canon, but at the dominant. We continue here with just the right hand. Okay, so he continues along with that for quite a while. Let's put them together here. We have the canon at the dominant, and we have the canon at the E flat at the relative major. Let's start back there where the canon on the relative major starts. This is measure 11. Now here's where the right hand starts in with the canon at the fifth. Okay, and this is measure 13. Now the right hand is going to go back to that original canon here. Kind of sneaks into it. Has those two notes before it, which is the end of the last phrase. Here we go with the original canon in the right hand. Now the left hand goes to the original canon, 2 octaves lower. Now there's a slight variation here because the piece is going to end. So the last phrase in the left hand now he changes and ends. So the last three measures here. Okay, there you have it. Of course, this is only a thumbnail sketch, a very brief study of something that could be studied for hours. If you'd like to take a live online lesson, there's my information below. Probably also flashing up on the screen if you're watching it on your computer. And there's also links to the music below and a link to my website. I strongly recommend you getting the music if you seriously want to study these pieces, and every pianist and every composition student. And myself being a jazz pianist, I also recommend all jazz pianists really need to study this music. It's of primary importance. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.